Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I bring to you this really nice guard security 65mm solid steel shutter lock. This is some really high-end security. I mean, these locks take a lot to get into, and I'm not even joking. I mean, you can't just take a rake, come by and rake these locks open. It's not gonna happen. Oh, just kidding, you can. Guard security, nice. Well, in any case, that's all I got for you this time, guys. Do me a huge favor, like, subscribe, and share my videos. It would mean so much to me. Until next time, catch you later.